Hello, Mr. Josh here. In this video I'll show you the difference between deer, deer. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. I say, my dear, look at the antlers on that deer. Dear is a well-known term of affection. It's also often used at the start of a letter to a family member. However, if you're British, it can mean something's too expensive. $1,000 for the latest Samsung phone? That's too dear for me. Deer, on the other hand, is the animal in the picture. These things here are antlers, not horns. If you enjoyed this video, you should try one of these.